Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, this is the second video from the exercise 13.5, and for the previous videos please check the description box, the link will be there. Now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 13. Okay, so here the given function is 2x square minus 3x plus 7, and you have to show that f dash 2 equal to 5 f dash 1. That means first you have to find out f dash x or the derivative of this function. Okay, so here f dash x will be here 2 as x square, derivative of x square equal to 2x, and here minus 3 and derivative of x equal to 1. So it becomes 4x minus 3. So 4x minus 3 is f dash x. Now here f dash 2, so that means f dash 2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 3, it becomes 5, and then 5 f dash 1. So 5 f dash 1 means 4 into 1 minus 3, so it becomes 1 into 5 5. Okay, that means f dash 2 equal to 5 f dash 1, and it's proved. Now sum number 14, fx equal to kx square minus 5x plus 4, and it's given that f dash 3 that equal to 37. Now we have to find out the value of k. So as here fx equal to this one, so f dash x equal to the derivative of this one is 2x, so 2kx, and this one is minus 5. Okay, so now as f dash 3, so here f dash 3 equal to 2k into 3 minus 5, it's 6k minus 5. Okay, now according to the problem, 6k minus 5 equal to 37, it's given. So here k equal to 42 and 6k equal to 42, so k equal to 7. Now sum number 15. Here y equal to x plus 1 by x, and you have to prove that x square dy dx minus xy plus 2 equal to 0. So if y equal to this one, then differentiate it with respect to x, it will be dy dx, and here x will be 1 and 1 by x will be minus 1 by x square. So just put down the value here, x square into dy dx. So here the value of dy dx, so 1 minus 1 by x square, then minus x, value of y equal to x plus 1 by x, then plus 2. So now x square into 1, then minus x square into 1 by x square. So x square cancel out, it becomes minus 1. Then here minus x into x, so minus x square, then minus plus minus, so x into 1 by x, it's cancel out, and here plus 2. So it will be x square cancel out, here minus 1, here minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1, it's minus 2 plus 2, and that becomes 0, and it's proved. Now sum number 16. Here the given function is x minus a by x minus b, and you have to find out the derivative of this one. Okay, so here differentiate with respect to x, dy dx. So here you can apply the uv formula. Okay, u by v. So as this one is u, this one is v, so you know the formula. First you write down the v square here, and then here v into ddx of u. Okay, that means the derivative of the upper one. So here derivative of upper one, x is 1 and a is 0. So 1 minus 0, then minus, then u into, that means the first one, and the derivative of the lower one. So it will be 1 minus 0. Clear? So the upper one will be x minus b minus x plus a by x minus b whole square. So here x cancel out, then a minus b by x minus b whole square. 16.2. Here the given function ax plus b by cx plus d. That means here you have to again apply u by v rule. So dy dx equal to here cx plus d whole square. Then write down cx plus d, that means the lower one, and the derivative of the upper one. So here the derivative of ax that equal to a, and the derivative of b equal to 0, as a, b are constant. Next here ax plus b, write down the first one, then the derivative of the second one, and it will be c plus 0. Okay, then a multiply with this one, acx plus ad, and here c multiply with this one, acx minus bc. So acx cancel out, it will be ad minus bc. Okay, so ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square as your answer. Now sum number 17. Here the given function is 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 1 by x plus 5. So first you have to multiply these two function, and it will be 6x square plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 5. Now you can apply here u by v formula. So it will be x plus 5 whole square, you know that, then x plus 5 and the derivative of this one, the upper one. Okay, so here x square means 2x, so 2x into 6 it becomes 12x. Derivative of x equal to plus 1 and minus 1 equal to 0, so no need to write down this one. So now minus the first one, 6x square plus x minus 1, and the derivative of the lower one. So here derivative of x equal to 1 and derivative of 5 equal to 0, or you can directly write down only 1 here. So now multiply these two, so it will get 12x square plus 60x plus x plus 5, and then multiply with 1, so it will be minus 6x square minus x plus 1, then x cancel out, and it will be 6x square, 5 plus 1 6, and here 60x. So if 6 will be common, 6x square plus 10x plus 1 by x plus 5 whole square as your answer. Now the second one, number 2. Here the given function is 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so you can also treat like u by v. So here u equal to 1 and v equal to this one. So first write down the v square in the denominator, and then write down here the v. Okay, v into derivative of 1. Now derivative of 1 equal to 0, then u into derivative of this one. So it will be 2ax and this one as b. Clear? So now as 0 multiply with this one, so it will be whole 0. So write down minus this one by this one as your answer. Sum number 18(1). Here y equal to px square plus qx plus r by ax plus b. Okay, so this one is u, this one is v. So u by v formula, dy by dx equal to ax plus b whole square. Then write down here ax plus b and then derivative of this one. So it will be 2px and this one as q. Next one minus, write down this one and the derivative of the lower one, that is a. Okay, so now multiply these two. Here 2apx square plus 2bpx plus aqx plus bq. Okay, and now multiply a with this one, it will be minus apx square minus aqx plus ra. So aqx will be cancel out, and here 2apx square, here minus apx square. Okay, so it will be only apx square. Then 2bpx, here bq, and the last one ar as minus. Okay, so it will be minus, not the plus, it will be minus ar. Okay, as a into r, here minus, so minus ar, and by ax plus b whole square. Okay, now the next one is here sum number 18(2). So here the given function is ax square plus bx plus c by px square plus qx plus r. Okay, so that means upper one as u and lower one as v. So first write down the v square, that means px square plus qx plus r whole square. Then it will be px square plus qx plus r, and the derivative of the upper one, it will be 2ax plus b. Clear? Now minus, then write down here ax square plus bx plus c, and the derivative of the lower one, it will be 2px plus q. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now you have to multiply this one with this one. So 2ax multiply with this one, 2apx cube, then 2ax into qx, 2aqx square, 2ax into r, 2arx. Now b multiply with this one, px square b into this one, qbx, b into r, this one. Okay, same thing will be happen here. 2px multiply this one, 2px multiply this one, and 2px multiply c, so minus 2pcx. Now q into this one, q into this one, and q into this. You have to just remember the sign. Okay, very careful about the negative sign. Okay, so now the lower one will be same. Now here 2apx cube will be cancelled out with this one, and bpqx cancel out, bq and x, not bp. So bqx cancel out with this one. Okay, now here you have 2aqx square. Okay, and here also you have bpx square. Here aqx square, and here 2bpx square. Okay, so first one, as here 2bp x square, here bp x square, so that means bp x square subtracted from this one and you will get minus bp x square, as well as here 2aq x square subtracted from this one you will get aq x square. So if x square will be common, then it will be aq minus bp whole x square. Okay, now the next one, as you have 2arx and here 2pcx, so if 2x will be common, it becomes ar minus pc. And the last one, here br, here qc, so plus br minus qc by the lower one, and this is your answer. Now sum number 19. Here the given function is 3 by x plus 2 minus 5 sin x. So first let this one as y. So y equal to 3 into x plus 2 whole to the power minus 1 minus 5 sin x. Okay. So now differentiate with respect to x. So here 3. Then x plus 2 to the power minus 1. So you can treat as x to the power n formula. You know that n into x to the power n minus 1. So here minus 1. Then x plus 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, but here instead of x you have x plus 2. That means again you have to derivative this one. Okay, that means differentiate this one. So here the differentiate with respect to x plus 2, it will be only 1. Clear? Now minus here 5 and the derivative of sin x, that equal to cos x. So now here 3 into minus 1 minus 3 by x plus 2 whole square minus 5 cos x as your answer. 19.2. Here 1 by x to the power 4 minus b by x square plus cos x. So it will be a x to the power minus 4 minus b x to the power minus 2 and plus cos x. Now differentiate with respect to x. It will be minus 4a x to the power minus 5. Then here minus minus plus 2b x to the power minus cube. And here minus sin x, because the derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. So the final answer will be minus 4a by x to the power 5, then 2b by x cube and minus sin x. Sum number 20. Here given function x to the power 5 cot x. Okay, so the differentiate. Sum number 21. Here the given function is x to the power 5 cot x. So that means here you can apply the uv formula. That means the product rule. So dy dx equal to x to the power 5. Then derivative of cot x equal to minus cos x square x. Then plus write down v and the derivative of x to the power 5, it will be 5x to the power 4. So now minus x to the power 5 cos x square x plus 5x to the power 4 cot x. So here x to the power 4 will be common. So minus x cos x square x plus 5 cot x. Next 22. So here x to the power 4 into 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. So here you can also apply the uv rule. That means first one as u and second one the whole one as v. So first write down u and then differentiate of this one. So 5 sin x means cos x and here cos x means minus sin x. So it will be plus 3 sin x. Then write down the second one and the derivative of this one, it's 4x cube. Okay, now multiply x to the power 4 with this one, you will get this one, and then 4x cube multiply with this one, it will be here. So now as here 5x to the power 4 cos x and here 12x cube cos x. So if x cube cos x will be common, so it becomes 5x minus 12. And here if x cube sin x will be common, it becomes 3x plus 20 as your final answer. Next, sum number 21. Given function is x plus cos x into x minus tan x. So this one u and this one v. So u into v formula, dy by dx equal to x plus cos x will be here. The derivative of this one is 1 minus sec square x. Okay. Now the second one, x minus tan x will be here, and the derivative of the first one, that is 1, and here cos x means minus sin x. So this one your answer. Now next, number 2. Here 3x plus 5, 1 plus tan x. So first one will be here and the derivative of this one is, as 1 means 0 and tan square ka derivative sec square x. Now second one, 1 plus tan x, the derivative of 3x, that equal to 3 and derivative of 5 equal to 0. No need to write down this one. Okay, so it will be 3x plus 5 into sec square plus 3 into 1 plus tan x. Now next, sum number 22. So here 22.1. And this is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer. So here y equal to this one multiply with this one. So that means again you have to apply here u into v, that means product rule formula. So differentiate with respect to x. First one, write down this one, and the derivative of this one will be as pq constant. So derivative of p equal to 0, and here cos x means sin x, it will be minus sin x. So q into minus sin x. Then write down this one, and the derivative of this one will be here 2ax, and the derivative of cot x equal to minus cos x square. Okay, so it will be minus sin q. So minus q sin x multiply with this one, and here p plus q cos x will be 2ax minus cos x square x as your answer. Now second one, here x square sin x plus cos 2x. Okay, so that means first one here, first you have to derivative this one, you have to apply here u and v formula. Okay, uv formula. So it will be here x square derivative of sin x equal to cos x, and then sin x and derivative of this one equal to 2x. Now plus again you have to differentiate this one separately. So here cos 2x, as you know the different derivative of cos mx, the formula will be minus m sin mx. So as here m means 2, so it will be minus 2 sin 2x. So dy dx equal to x square cos x plus 2x sin x minus 2 sin 2x. So guys, please keep watching and keep supporting.